In this video, we'll walk through how to customize CyberShield. In Admin Portal, go to Shield and then Configuration. Under Domain Filtering, you'll see the protection levels. When you first enabled domain filtering, you will probably chose one of the preset protection levels like Basic Protection, Safe Browsing, or High Productivity. But if you want more control, switch it to Custom. That lets you choose exactly which of the 43 content categories you want to block instead of relying on a preset setup. To the right, you'll find the Allow list and Block list. The block list is for domains you always want blocked no matter what category they belong to. You can add them one at a time or upload a text file if you already have a list ready to go. The Allow list does the opposite. Any domain added, there will always be allowed, even if it matches a blocked category or appears on the block list. For traffic filtering, there are two ways to decide what gets blocked. The first is by priority level: critical, critical, and high, or critical, high, and medium. The second option is filtering by category, where you can choose from 9 specific threat types. Priority levels are the quickest way to get protected, while categories give you more fine-tuned control if you know exactly what you want to block. And that's the full CyberShield customization setup.